search of missing pieces, but I wonder what did float above us and what did lie beneath us. 'Cause I know I beat my goals, my life is not complete. 'Cause finding you was finding that lasting missing piece. And yes, it's true, it's because of you and everything you said. I'm making an effort with myself to make an effort with my dad. And I just want you to know, but I had a dream and made it, but from it you were free. 'Cause meeting you was better than any dream could be. And all your years of making this world a better place to be. I wanna thank you for taking that time, spending time with me, spending time with me. From we met, I don't regret a second that has passed. I only wish that time with you didn't go so fast. From your eyes to butterflies, like a coat of many colors. Your voice is like a poem that runs into another. And your nice smile you can never hide, and how you make me feel. So I wrote you this song without